Hi, my name is Sean Lamoth. I'm the operations manager here at Hanna's Property Maintenance. We're out here in Ottawa today, and we were supposed to do a demo with these guys from Orec about their amazing Snow Rhino. The problem is that Mother Nature doesn't play by our rules. So there isn't any snow, but we actually brought some snow, loaded it up in a dump truck, brought it over here to this parking lot, dumped it, and as you can see from the skid steer tracks, it's packed right down. And before the Orec, you'd have to go at this with a shovel, break it up, snow blow it, and it makes a big mess. It's hard on the back. However, with the Snow Rhino here, it'll make light work of that. So over here with the extensions on, we're looking at about 46 inches. It's really good when you're going through big walkways, or you even want to open up the curbs or parking lots, you know, whatever. Very nice. And big time saver. However, if you got tighter spaces like we do, we took the extensions off. We're rocking at about 34 inches now. And the nice thing about this is wheelchair ramps with turns in them, tight walkways where you have to go through gates. The versatility is just through the roof.